Tornado warning.
Yep, tornado warning. It's 11:45. Yep. There's a tornado on the ground. Got yourself a tornado on the ground. There's a tornado on the ground.
I know, I flipped it on, I'm watching it. It isn't polygonal, they did it for the whole damn
But look
county.
at, and look, 100 mile per hour winds. Look at these,
I know.
look at these purple things.
I know, I flipped it on, I was gonna see. I don't think they know where anything's gonna go, so.
Okay, sirens did turn on. They turned the sirens on.
I know, buddy, it's okay. I'm not as worried about this one as I was the last.
Oh yeah, look it. Sirens are now going off.
Phone, we got it. We're all like, ah! Ryder's home alone with Piper.
You'll be alright.
It's not.
It's more of just, like I said, they don't even have it specifically for an area. They just did the whole county as a precautionary.
There's a tornado on the ground.
Yeah, buddy.
Severe thunderstorms capable of producing both tornadoes and extensive straight line wind gusts in excess of 100 miles.
100 mile per hour wind gusts.
So please take this seriously. Thornton area, again, you had a
No, well, I'm not okay. I'm 100 miles per hour. I want to see it. This is the 4th tornado warning this year.
I know.
I think we're in the tornado alley.
I'll go shoot a few things. I don't really need it, but I'll shoot a few things.
I might come out down here too and help.
I'm gonna come out and help.
Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from falling trees. This cluster of thunderstorms is capable of producing tornadoes and widespread significant damage. Do not wait to see or hear the tornado. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. In effect until 11:30 a.m. for Lake County. At 11 a.m., a severe squall line capable of producing both tornadoes and extensive straight line wind gusts in excess of 100 miles per hour was located near St. John. At 70 miles per hour. Tornadoes at 100 miles per hour with gusts.
Yeah, we got tornado warning. They turned the sirens on. They turned the sirens off. Yeah, they turned the sirens back off.